I'm just going to explain you the exercise number 6, government textbooks, page number 69. Okay. So here, stock on 31st March 2019 is valued at cost price rupees 12,000 and market price, which is high, 17,000. So as per the Book and Partnership Act, whichever is less price, the cost price is here less, so we will consider the cost price of a stock. So we'll consider the stock at a cost price which 12,000. So first effect, closing stock, trading count, credit side rupees 12,000 and balance sheet asset side rupees 12,000. Okay. Important is that lowest, whichever is lowest. So here is a 12,000 is lowest. Second, our customer Mr. Shekhar failed to pay his dues of rupees 800. So Shekhar hamara one of the customer is failed to pay his rupees 800. So 800 is now become the bad debts. Rupees 800 now become bad debts. So we have to deduct it from the data. So first effect, balance sheet asset side less it from debtors. Show it. Second effect, show it on P and L account debit side. Okay. Adjust number second is over. Now coming on the third adjustment, write off 1/8 of the patent are to be written off. So written off means depreciation. So patent is given in the book. Check out the patent cost. Patent, copyright, trademark, patent is IP or intellectual property, IPR. So it is coming under the IPR, intellectual property right. 2000 का हम 1/8 कर देंगे यहाँ पर राइट ऑफ पेटेंट. ट्रायल बैलेंस कितना दिया हुआ है पेटेंट? रुपीस 2000. So multiplied it 1/8. So 1/8. 1/8. So simplify it. $2,000 divided by 8, rupees 250. So this is a calculated amount. So while we recording the patent on the revised balance sheet on 31st March, so patent will be recorded less than rupees 250. In the balance sheet asset side 2000 less 250, outer column will be the amount of how much? 19,750. Sorry, 1,900. 1,750. 2,000 minus 250 minus 2,000. So we have 1,715 rupees, 50 rupees. First effect. So it's a loss of the business. Second will be recorded on the profit and loss again. We have to record it in a profit and loss account. Show it on the profit and loss account debit side. So I will just copy it from here. Second effect will be shown. How much? Debit side 250. Profit and loss account debit side, right? Patent. Depreciation patent, right? Now adjust number 4. As a part of furniture, 5,000 is purchased on 1st October 2018. So we have to check the amount of furniture in trial balance. So we have a furniture where it is written furniture. Here is furniture. 13,000 is the furniture cost. I will just make copy of it. Furniture, how much it is given? 13,000. And adjustment number 4 says that out of 13,000, a part of furniture 5,000 is purchased on 1st October. So we'll deduct, I will make a two part of this, 8,000 and 5,000 equals to 13,000, right? So the furniture we have purchased, which is on the last date, 31st March, is having cost of 13,000. Out of that, 8,000 purchased on first, it is the opening balance, and mid of the year, 1st October, we have purchased this 5,000. So we have to charge depreciation on this for a period of half year, October, November, December, January, February, March. Till the March, we have a 6 month. So we will charge here 6 month depreciation, 6 month depreciation. And on this 8,000 for 1 year. So just I will make it highlight for 1 year here. And for on 5,000, we have to charge depreciation for a period of half year. So we will calculate depreciation here. Depreciate land and building furniture 5%. तो फर्नीचर के ऊपर जो 5% लेना है तो हम 8,000 के ऊपर ले लेंगे 8,000 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 5 अपॉन 100. तो ये आ जाता है 8,000 का 10% होगा 800, ये हो जाएगा 400 रुपए, राइट है. और 5,000 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 5 अपॉन 100, ठीक है. तो ये हो जाएगा, इसका वापस 10% होता है 500, तो 500 10% होता है और 1% हो जाएगा 250. तो ये 250, बट वी हैव टू चार्ज हियर फॉर अ पीरियड ऑफ 6 months. तो 6 months मींस again we have to multiply it 6 upon 12 for a half year. So again it will be 125. So total depreciation would be 400 plus 125, this much for a complete year, and here 125 for a period of half year, 6 months I have written here. Okay, the 6 month 125. Total depreciation would be 525. Now just number 5 is depreciation land and building at a rate of 10%. So here is date is not given, so we will consider 10% depreciation on land and building. Have a look amount of the land and building. Land and building 22,000. So 22,000 is the total cost of the land and building. Depreciation 10%. Land and building कितना कम प्राइस है 22,000. So उसका 10% आ जाएगा multiplied by 10 upon 100. So it come to rupees 2200. तो ये जो 2200 रुपए का अमाउंट है 2200. So will be recorded first profit and loss account debit side. यहाँ फिर वापस कॉपी कर लेता हूँ. फर्स्ट इफेक्ट क्या जाएगा, शो इट ऑन द प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट डेबिट साइड. कितना जाएगा, ये वाला अमाउंट, और इतना अमाउंट डिडक्ट कर कर बैलेंस शीट के एसेट साइड में हम शो करेंगे 22,000 माइनस 2,200. ऑर्डर कॉलम में आ जाएगा ये. 22 में से 2,000 गया, बचा 20,200 गया, तो 19,800 विल बी रिकॉर्डेड बैलेंस शीट asset side. Clear? Now just number 6, outstanding expenses, wages rupees 300 and electricity charges, electricity rupees 200. So whenever outstanding says, we have to add it in the concerned respective head. wages में आप add कर लेंगे. wages का यहाँ पर figure देखिए, wages where it is written wages 950 plus outstanding amount, this 950 plus this outstanding wages 300. तो wages का amount आ जाएगा 950 plus 300, 9 plus 3 1250. ये आउटर कॉलम में आ जाएगा. कहां पर, जहां वेजेस लिखते हैं हम ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट के डेबिट साइड को रिकॉर्ड करते हैं, तो ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट के डेबिट साइड. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी हम रिकॉर्ड करते हैं पीएनएल अकाउंट को. सो पीएनएल अकाउंट में जाएगा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का अमाउंट. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज 1450 रुपीज. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी amount of 1415 plus 200 outstanding which we have to make payment. So 1650, 1650 रुपए आउटर कॉलम में आ जाएगा. ये लिखेंगे हम P&L अकाउंट डेबिट साइड. Okay, the second effect will be shown on the balance sheet. Second effect on balance sheet liability side, because we have to make a payment of rupees 300 plus 200. Outer column will be the 500 balance sheet liability side में आप show करोगे इसको, ठीक है. Last adjustment, allow interest on capital 3%. तो आपको जो पार्टनर ने कैपिटल लेके आया इसका हमको 3% कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा. कैपिटल कंट्रीब्यूटेड बाय द पार्टनर्स इज गिवन द क्रेडिट साइड. अर्चना 40,000 एंड प्रेरणा 20,000. तो इसका 40,000 का 3% मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3/100. यहाँ कैलकुलेट आ जाएगा इसका. अर्चना का 40,000 multiplied by 3/100 which come to rupees 1200 only. और सेकंड जो पार्टनर है उसका कैलकुलेट करेंगे हम, जिसका नाम है प्रेरणा. इसने 20,000 कंट्रीब्यूट किया है. ये है नाम पार्टनर का प्रेरणा, ये है ना. सेकंड है प्रेरणा. प्रेरणा का कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे तो ये ऑलमोस्ट इसका हाफ हो जाएगा. वहाँ 40 था तो 1200 आया, तो यहाँ कैलकुलेट करने के बाद आपका 600 आ जाएगा. अब ये पार्टनर्स को हम क्रेडिट करेंगे. फर्स्ट इफेक्ट, इफेक्ट 1, फर्स्ट इफेक्ट will be recorded on partners capital oblique current account credit. अब आप पे कर रहे हो. सेकेंड इफेक्ट will be recorded on P&L account debit side. Debit side को आप as an expenditure, it will be recorded on the debit side. It's a loss or expenditure of the business, so it's a benefit of the business, so will be credited on partners account credit side. This much 1200 and 600 rupees. So these are the adjustment. One more adjustment which I want to clear you here. No, everything is simple. Just credit side will be transferred to the either on the trading account credit side or profit and loss account credit side or balance sheet liability side. So everything is very simple. You just try to solve it. It's a simple question. These are the adjustment only which I feel that I should be explained. The gross profit will be 8,290 and net profit will be 825. If it is ratio is given, then we will transfer in this ratio 2:1. तो कितना आ रहा है हमारा नेट प्रॉफिट? नेट प्रॉफिट आ रहा है 825. 825 को हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर लेंगे. प्रॉफिट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन अमंग द पार्टनर्स रेशियो है 2:1. तो ये आपका 825 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2/3. कैलकुलेट इट. 825 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2 डिवाइड बाय 3. 550 जो फर्स्ट पार्टनर है उसको जाएगा 550, और सेकंड जो पार्टनर है 825 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1/3 275. सेकंड पार्टनर को जाएगा 275. 275 कितना जाएगा? 275. यह है 1/3. फर्स्ट पार्टनर का नाम है प्रेरणा, दूसरे का नाम है अर्चना. सो वी विल ट्रांसफर दिस मच प्रॉफिट टू द पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट और करंट अकाउंट. ठीक है. ओके, बेस्ट ऑफ लक. सॉल्व इट एट योर होम.